I made kimchi fried rice. And that had... Let's see, so what do? You chop garlic and onion. Chop garlic and onion. Put in frying pan with oil. That's the first thing you do. And then this is what I do. Chop up chicken, hot dog. You slice it. Slice. I guess same thing. Slice chicken hot dog or normal hot dog. Put in frying pan. All the other stuff. Then add kimchi. Yes, you add the kimchi. You want to make sure that the kimchi gets fried. You want to do that before you add the rice or whatever. Because I used to not do that. And it changes the texture and flavor completely. So add the kimchi. Add kimchi to frying pan. Fry it. You fry it. Now what do you do? And then add leftover rice or rice that has been in the fridge. Uh-oh. There you go. Rice that has been in the fridge. Because using fresh rice, the texture sucks. It doesn't fry as well. Cold stuff fries better. Yeah. Add leftover rice. And then soy sauce. And if you want, you could add that, I added a lot of kimchi, the juice from the kimchi. So you could either add, what's it called? This thing, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. That, the red pepper paste, you could add that. Or you could do what I did, which was add a lot of the liquid from the kimchi. So, that, oh yeah, wait. Add soy sauce. Go to that, I think. And then, or kimchi juice. Yes. You could add either, or you could do both if you wanted extra. And then mix it, fry it. Yum. Steamy. Yum. And then I add sesame oil. Wait. Add sesame oil. That's what you do. Yeah. Okay, well that's how I make fried rice. That's what I did yesterday. Now it's in the freezer. 끝났어요.